Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make brownies in the microwave. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. For the wet ingredients, grab 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 2 tablespoons of water or milk. Don't forget a microwave-safe mug. Now, let's get mixing. In your mug, combine the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and salt. Stir these dry ingredients well with a fork. Next, pour in the vegetable oil and water or milk. Mix gently until everything is just combined and there are no dry spots. Remember, a few small lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can make your brownie tough. It's time to cook. Place your mug in the microwave and cook on high for about 60 to 90 seconds. Cooking times can vary depending on your microwave's wattage, so keep an eye on it. You'll know it's done when the edges look set and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Be careful, it will be hot. Once cooked, carefully remove your brownie from the microwave. Let it cool in the mug for a few minutes. This helps it set and makes it easier to eat. You can enjoy it warm as is, or add a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream for an extra special dessert. For more great deals, and to check out those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, find the link in the description below. Enjoy your quick and delicious microwave brownie.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.